Hi, myself Alakonda Naveen, rule number 49 from ITA. My topic is about learning English as a foreign language. Some people learn English language because they need them for their work. Others to travel abroad for the third studying foreign language is a hobby. Everyone who knows foreign language can speak to people from other countries. Read foreign authors in the original. English language is important language. It's the language of the great literature. Also, half of the world's scientific literature is in the English. It's the language of computers language. English is absolutely very necessary for educated man, for every good specialist. What is EFL? According to Macmillan Dictionary, EFL refers to the English language taught to people who need to learn it for their studies or their career and who do not live in an English speaking country. In Bangladesh, we learn English as a foreign language. On the other hand, in Collins Dictionary, EFL is referred to the practice and theory of learning and reaching English for use in countries where it is not an official medium. For example, in our country, English is taught as a foreign language as it is not the official medium. However, English is widely used in public and private organizations of our country. Difference between ESL and EFL. English as a second language ESL. English as a second language ESL refers to the teaching and learning English in a country where English is already the main or official language. The United States, Canada, the UK and the Australia are the major locations where English as a second language ESL is taught and learned academically. English as a foreign language EFL. English as a foreign language EFL is the teaching and learning English in countries where English is not a language of majority. Current important place for English foreign language include South Korea, Japan, Taiwan, China and Thailand. Students study English in their own country as per of academic requirements in their school system or in preparation for travel or study in an English speaking country. Practical example of EFL and ESL. ESL, one common example can be given in context of Silhouette. Many people go to the UK, the USA and other English speaking countries every year getting spouse visa. They plan to settle down in those countries. If they start learning English in those countries, it's a case of ESL. And the EFL, in case of students like us, we are learning English as an academic subject, and that's why the situation represents EFL. We want to use English for academic purposes, and if anyone plans to go abroad for studies, English comes handy. In order to make teaching effective, different methods are to be employed. According to the level and nature of the class, the important methods of teaching English are grammar translation method, direct method, bilingual method, director West method, substitution method. And the first method is grammar translation method. This method, as its name indicates, is dominated by grammar and translation. Under this method, the meaning of English words, phrases, and sentences is taught by means of word for word translation into the mother tongue. Direct method. This method aims at developing procedures for the teaching of the four skills that acknowledge the interdependence of language and communication. It aims at having students become communicatively component. Bilingual method. A set of principles about teaching including recommendations about method and syllabus where the focus is on meaningful communication, not structure. Use not use. In this approach, students are given tasks to accomplish using language instead of studying the language. Dr. West method. Activities in which language is used for carrying out meaningful communication Promote learning. English that is meaningful to the learner supports the learning process. Substitution method. A person learns it for using in countries where it is used as the first language, or to use his own country when guiding tourists coming from the regions of this language. And this is all about my topic. Thank you.